Hi there! Welcome to Clockify, your ultimate time tracking tool. Whether a freelancer, remote worker, or part of a team, Clockify helps you track time, stay organized, and boost productivity. After seeing their website, you will see there the features of their app. And when you go to their website, you will see their products, the features that they have, and how to download them. And you will also see the time management features, the reporting management, why track with them, and the companies that trust them. Now click on the sign up free here to create an account. Just wait for it to load, and then there are options if you want to continue with Google, continue with Apple, or you can just input your email. After doing that, just click continue with email. Now, if you already have an account, you may log in. First that I want you to do is to create project and tasks. So under the manage tab here, you will see the projects. Click on it and you will see the blue button here. Click on that to create a project. Let's say the project name is party. And then after typing the name, you click on select client, wherein you can choose among the existing clients, or if the client is still not there, you may just type the name. And after typing it on your keyboard, press Control Enter. And there, client feedback has been created. After that, click Create. You will see now that the party has been added to the different projects. Now, if you want to know more about this project, and you may want to add some stuff here, just click on that project, and let's add some task. Click on Add New Task. Type here the task that you want. Let's say create a timetable. And then after you have input the task, click Add. Wait for it. So you will see the task here. You can also choose to assign this task. You can assign it to a specific person or to anyone. Now let's move on to the access. You can see here the visibility of the project. Is it visible for private individuals or public? If it's visible privately, only people you add to the project can track time on it. I think this is more advisable, especially if our project is a bit confidential, so we can keep the visibility into private. And then if it's okay to be set into public, just click on it. But I'll click private this time. And now the status. So you will see here the track time, the amount, the money. So this is what you will be checking from time to time. And then the forecast here. It's basically the calendar, and then the note. If you have any note, you may add, and then click on the setting. This one is very important. So as for the color, you may choose any colors that you want. And then billable by default, you may click yes if it's billable. And then an hourly rate. So it's in US dollars. So let's say you'll choose 7. So click on set rate and then add here the number. So you can also click on time entries to edit the date, but you can only go back to the past. And then you may click also the all past and future time entries. And then after you've chosen that one, click save. The project estimate, choose how you wish to track the project. If you want it to be a time estimate, and then time project budget, it's on you. So you can add here the budget if it's task based. So I'll just choose no estimate. After that, you can proceed on editing other projects. Now, if you want to track time, you may click on the time tracker here under the timesheet tab. Choose the project that you want to work on. The project that we had earlier was about program. Click on it. Once you're on it, you click start. Let's say you are done doing that project, you just click stop. So you will see here the time accumulated, it's 7 seconds. If you want to view this timesheet in the calendar, just press the calendar. You will see here the different apps that we have. So you can view this weekly, daily. It's up to you. Now, after that, let's go to the reports here under the Analyze tab. This is very important to give you an overall view of the progress of the projects that your team and workmates are working on. So here, we will click on the export and you can choose if the file will be saved as PDF, CSV, or Excel. I'll just choose save as PDF and then click on it just to wait for it to be exported. And a notification will pop up saying that you have successfully exported the file. Then click on it and then you will see here the summary report. Do you want even more productivity? Clockify integrates with tools like Trello, Asana, and Slack. So you can also use features like tags, billable hours, and time estimates to optimize time management. Those are just some of the basic features that Clockify has. Now, if you have upgraded, you may unlock more features. What's good thing about Clockify is that they provide you a 7-day trial just in case you want to test the waters. And if you think Clockify is good to go, you just click upgrade. And that's it. Clockify makes time tracking simple and efficient. Sign up today and take control of your time like never been before. And that's it. Clockify makes time tracking simple and efficient. Sign up today and take control of your time like never before.